Your website gets traffic, but is it really working for you? Or is it just sitting there looking pretty? What if you could turn every visitor into a potential lead or a delighted customer automatically 24/7? Today, we are talking about exactly how to do that with AI. Hey everyone, I'm Adnan here, and on this channel, I'm documenting my journey in the AI automation space. And a big part of that journey is figuring out how businesses can actually use this incredible technology. That's what I help businesses do. Implement AI solutions that make a real difference. And today, we're looking at one of the most impactful places you can put AI to your work, and it's your own website. So let's be honest, for many businesses, their website is like an online brochure. It looks good, it has information, but is it actively engaging the visitors and turning them into sales? Often not as much as it could. Think about it, missed opportunities for immediate questions, delayed responses to contact forms, leads just slipping away after the business hours. There's untapped potential right there, just waiting to be worked. But what if you could put an intelligent assistant right there in your site? Always ready, always helpful? That's where AI-powered website assistants come in. Imagine this, an AI that answers questions instantly, day or night, or it can guide users to the right information, exactly what they're looking for, proactively capturing lead details and providing a genuinely seamless customer experience. The goal? To turn those casual website visitors into engaged leads and happy, supported customers. Now I know what some of you might be thinking. Oh, another chatbot. But modern AI chat widgets are a complete game changer, especially for small to medium-sized businesses. This isn't just some fancy chat bubble, it's a powerful business asset. We are talking increased conversions because the AI can proactively engage visitors and qualify them as leads. We are talking about improved customer support by offering instant answers to common questions and freeing up your human team for more complex issues. We are talking about enhanced user experience, keeping people on your site longer and helping them find value. Huge operational efficiency by automating those routine interactions. And critically, it's incredibly cost effective because it's far cheaper than trying to staff human support 24/7. And these aren't your old school clunky keyword only chatbots. The AI assistants we can build today are much smarter. They offer natural conversation, meaning they can understand user intent and not just specific keywords. They can have knowledge-based integration features, so they access your specific company information to give accurate and relevant answers. They can include lead capture forms right in the chat to seamlessly collect contact information from the leads. You also get customizable branding, so the widget looks like a natural part of your website. And they can use conversation starters to gently nudge users towards the most valuable interactions or common questions. So what does setting one of these actually involve? It's more straightforward than you might think. First, you define your AI's purpose. Is it primarily for customer support, lead generation, or a bit of both? Second, you build or train your AI with relevant knowledge. This could be your FAQ documents, product information, company policies, etc. Third, you customize the chat widget's appearance and behavior, things like colors, welcome messages, and those conversation starters. Fourth, you grab the simple embed code that the platform provides. And finally, you add that code to your website and go live. It really can be that streamlined. So what does all this mean for your business? It means transforming your website from just a static page to a truly dynamic, hardworking asset. You can virtually never miss another lead due to slow response times. You can provide exceptional customer service around the clock, even when you're asleep. You can gather valuable insights from the questions and interactions visitors have with your AI, and ultimately, you can position your business as modern, responsive, and truly customer focused in this digital era. let's quickly check how an AI agent can be deployed in your website in the form of a chat widget. At first, now we are in Agentive and we already have built an AI agent for customer support and lead generation. So our agent is named like this. This agent can handle customer support and generate leads. We provided some prompts about the company. So we are working with a company named Biosource Analytics and they sell laboratory equipments, as you can read from here. Alright, so how to do that? At first, I'm going to select publish. After our agent is published and live, we can go to deploy and we can come to the website tab. So this is our settings for the widget and we can change everything according to our liking. I already have changed the widget name. I can do it further. Let me just name it Biosource Analytics. Widget description, this will appear at the top of your chat widget. Let's talk. I chose an accent color. You can do this in accordance of your brand. Choose agent logo. I have chosen my logo here, Biosource Analytics. Add a starting message. So do you want to give any starting message to the user? How can I help you today? That's fine. You can add conversation starters for common inquiries that customers may have with your business. Choose widget size, regular, large, desktop only. So I can select this just for testing purposes, or I can go with regular for now. Alright, so everything is done. We can click on update widget and then now we can actually see how the widget will look like on an actual website. If we click here, so this will be your website and this will be the chat widget. It will look like this. So how can I help you today? Hey, I want to know where you guys are located. So what kind of equipments do you sell? It takes some time to mimic a real human, because if a real human was there, he would take some time typing out these stuffs. So it gives a natural feel. Alright, it replied with the data from our knowledge base. Biosource Analytics specializes in the acquisition and provision of various medical and scientific lab equipments, including, so there are 4 equipment categories here. If you need more specific information or have any other further questions about a particular type of equipment, feel free to ask. Alright, let's say I want to buy an analytical instrumentation. I want to buy an instrumentation for my lab. Now it will ask me some questions based on my preferred equipment category. Great choice. For analytical instrumentation, here are the estimated costs based on the condition of the equipment. New surplus, certified pre-owned or source pre-owned. Please let me know your desired acquisition timeline in weeks. If you're interested in a specific condition, I can provide further assistance. Alright, so we can ask it, I want to buy this actually. That's fantastic to hear. To proceed with your purchase, I'll need to capture some lead information. Please provide the following details: your name, phone number, email address. Once I have this information, I can help set things up for you. If you remember, we said our chat widget, AI chat widget can automatically and proactively capture lead information. So just imagine if this part, or this is essentially acting as a contact form, right? So the user had to go to another web page to fill up the contact information. However, in this method we can actually integrate the contact from here naturally, so the user is more inclined to give this information to us so that we can collect and use that for sales team later. So my name is Steve and my email is steve@capusa.com. My phone number is, I just type random thing here. So now what it will do, it will save this information in a customer relationship management software and automatically update the entries there. Cool. Thank you, Steve. I have successfully captured your lead information and it has saved that into our CRM database. Here's a summary of your details. Our sales team will follow up with you shortly regarding your purchase of the analytical instrumentation. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. See, how great is that? So the journey continues. Comment below how you think AI is going to reshape and empower businesses like yours. If you liked my content, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI explorations, and that was all for today. See you in the next one.